Imagine your loved ones falling ill, a mysterious fever gripping your community. 2023-24 wasn't just headlines, it was a battle against invisible enemies. From Kerala's Nipah whispers to Africa's Marburg terror, disease outbreaks struck with chilling force. Welcome to the 4th episode of Back to Basics by Nextius. Nipah, originating from fruit bats, resurfaced in Kerala. Symptoms like fever, encephalitis, and respiratory distress led to heartbreaking losses. Though numbers were relatively low, its high mortality rate caused widespread panic. Hey viewer, can you identify this one? Yes, you guessed it right. Mpox, though monitored, persisted, particularly in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Symptoms of rash, fever, and swollen lymph nodes caused significant suffering and strain on healthcare systems. It is caused by the Mpox virus, a double-stranded DNA virus belonging to the Orthopox virus genus within the Poxviridae family. This genus also includes variola virus, which causes, well, that you need to answer in the comments. Next up, we have Marburg virus disease caused by the Marburg virus, a member of the Filoviridae family, emerging from bats in Africa, brought hemorrhagic fever with devastating symptoms: fever, bleeding, organ failure. Outbreaks in Equatorial Guinea, Tanzania, and Rwanda caused significant deaths, highlighting the virus's virulence and rapid spread. It's a single-stranded RNA virus. By the way, what's the difference between single-stranded and double-stranded viruses? Moving on to avian influenza or bird flu is caused by influenza A viruses, specifically subtypes like H5N1, H7N9, and others. These viruses are classified based on two surface proteins, hemagglutinin and neuraminidase. Well, this flu continued its silent spread, with human cases raising global alarms. Symptoms mimic severe flu, and the concern is its potential for human-to-human transmission. Its spread in dairy cattle is a major concern. These weren't just numbers. They were lives disrupted, families grieving, and communities on edge. Nextius understands that for UPSC, this isn't just science. It's about understanding the human cost, the global impact, and the preparedness needed. Stay informed, stay vigilant, because in a world interconnected, disease knows no boundary. Subscribe and let's prepare together.